Hello again. In this video we need to look at simplifying rational expressions, and in particular when we are given a quadratic and we need to factorise it first before we simplify it. So we might be given something like this when we have a quadratic on the top and a quadratic on the bottom. And in order to simplify it, remember we've got to simplify. One of the easiest way to simplify is to cancel factors. So we need to make this into two factors on the top and two factors on the bottom. So we should know how to do that by now. Let's make this. I'm going to have the factors of x minus 2, x plus 2. Remember, you're looking for numbers that multiply into negative 8. Factors of negative 8 here, which are negative 4 and 2. And on the bottom, when I factorise this, I end up with x plus 3, x plus 2. Now we can see how easy it is to simplify this, because I've got one factor here and another factor there that I can cancel, and that leaves me with an answer of x minus 4 on the top and x plus 3 on the bottom. Let's see, we've got another example. In this one I've got x minus 12 x to the power of 5 over x minus 2x squared. So I look at that, I can see a lot of x's in every term, so to make factors to cancel, to simplify it, it's easy to simplify factors. What goes into the top? X goes into both terms. So I have 1 minus 12 and I've got x to the power of 4 left there. On the bottom I'll take x out and I'm left with 1, x times 1 is x, and 2x on the bottom. I can cancel those x's, which leaves me just with 1 minus 12x to the power of 4, 1 minus 2x on the bottom. Let's see if I have 12x squared on the top and x to the power of 3 minus 4x squared on the bottom. Now I can't go and just cancel this here like that, because I've got the minus sign in here. Remember, it's got to be factors, so we can't do that. Let's take that away. Well, I can't take that away. Oops, I'll just do it that way. So we've got 12x squared minus 4x squared, but I can factorise them. So I've got, let me take an x squared out the front. That leaves me with 12 in the bracket. And let's take x squared out the front here, which leaves me with an x minus 4 in the bracket. So these are two factors on the top and two factors on the bottom. I'll cancel one of those factors with each other, and that leaves me with 12 over x minus 4. Now sometimes these can be written in another way. You might have seen these in exam paper. I might have it written like this to simplify, times x minus 2 to the negative 1. Now we'll be doing indices, negative indices in the next video, but this to the power of negative 1 means it's on the bottom of the fraction. So all that means is this is written with that, and we've got x minus 2 on the bottom. Here we can get rid of it there. And so when I'm, no, they might have written that out wrong. 2 times 9 I have. It shouldn't be an x there, should it? So now I'll factorise the top. Hopefully I'll get an x minus 2 so that I can cancel those x minus 2's, both factors there. Okay, the next video we'll look at indices. Thank you.